If you create any kind of content, videos, podcasts, ads, courses, you already know how much time and money goes into production, recording voiceovers, hiring voice talent, finding music, editing audio. It is a grind, and if you want that content in multiple languages, you are basically starting over from scratch every single time. ElevenLabs changes all of that. ElevenLabs is an AI audio and video platform used by over 1 million creators and enterprises worldwide. It lets you generate studio-quality voiceovers from text, clone voices, create music, produce sound effects, and dub your content into over 70 languages, all from one platform. The core tool is called ElevenCreative. It brings together everything you need to go from a script to a finished piece of content without switching between tools. You type your script, choose from over 10,000 AI voices, and generate a voiceover that sounds like a real human narration, not robotic, not flat, emotionally aware with natural pacing, breathing, and inflection. Beyond voiceovers, ElevenCreative has a full timeline editor called Studio, where you can add music, sound effects, and captions, and export a finished video. There is also a tool called Flows that lets you chain all of these steps together into an automated pipeline, so you can batch produce content variations without rebuilding your workflow every time. For anyone running a faceless YouTube channel, producing ads, building courses, or creating content at volume, this is the tool that makes it possible without a full production team. The link to try it is below. I will be covering specific features in depth in the videos ahead, so subscribe and I will see you in the next one.